Thanks for joining me at 5 Minute Mechanic. We're back out here with this John Deere L130. I'm not sure exactly how we'll film this yet, but the last time it was getting used, when I came out to hear it, it sounded like the blades were having an issue. So I climbed down, got underneath, and looked at the blade belt, or the deck belt. Might be kind of hard to see, but it is frayed in many places. So I don't know exactly what caused that, but we're gonna have to replace that deck belt. So this will probably just be getting the deck pulled off, and then we'll have to replace that and evaluate what's going on down here. But as I came out, I noticed that the deck's not sitting very straight, and the hood is not on right. You can see spring down there. Also, that this deck wheel is bent and sticking sideways. So there's a few things we're gonna have to take a look at with this. First, with this hood, okay, so that spring is off. That bracket is not where it's supposed to be. And it looks like we're leaking some fuel over here. I did start it up to move it over here. We gotta figure out why that's happening now. Okay, well, that's what we're gonna work on. Apparently I turned it off record, but I got this lined back up, and you gotta pull this spring to where it connects around there for the tension. Looks like this is a little bit loose. I don't have any tools right here with me, but you can see when that's not on right, it rubs along here, which we don't want. So now it appears to sit flush again, and then I don't know what's going on here. We'll have to come back and take a look at that in a few minutes. We're gonna work on this deck wheel that's bent. We have to remove the wheel and then bend the bracket back. It's a 15 mil we're gonna be working with. Had to do this before. It was easier to remove this wheel. And none of my sockets are right here, so just using a 15 mil wrench and a crescent wrench. That'll be easier to do this before we remove the deck, while we have some tension. We'll see. Okay. We get our pry bar here. close enough. We're gonna have to get a new bracket at some point because that's pretty well bent. Like I said, that's at least the second time I've repaired it. We're outside, so more noise out here. Okay. Torque that down to it's seated on the shoulder bolt. Good enough. That'll be our 5 minutes for today. Thank you for joining me at 5 Minute Mechanic. Remember, it's 5 minutes a day. Get your projects done.